Hey everybody, I'm really excited about this new home in Rillhurst Estates. This is 15234 Rillhurst Drive. This home is awesome on 3.6 acres. Look at this beautiful white colonial. Love those gables, that newer roof. This is awesome. Let's take a look inside, see what you guys got. This house is going to be on the market any day now, and if you're looking to get inside this, if you're not a real estate agent watching this with clients and you're a buyer, make sure you call your agent right away. You can reach out to anybody to get in to see this home. It's amazing. Look at this front porch on the way in. First off, look at how nice these plants and these trees are. Let's just take a quick look around here. This is the front yard. This is amazing. Go a little fast, but I just want to show you. We're going to look at the backyard too when we're done, but look at this. Let's go inside this wonderful two-story colonial. Let's check out this front porch on the way in. Built in 1986. We're looking at about 2,200 finished square feet on the main levels. Main and upper levels. So here's your center hall entry over here to the left side. Look at this gorgeous living room. Awesome wood floors, crown molding as you walk through. You come across, and of course now we got our dining room. Again, wood floors. Look at that wainscoting, chair molding, crown molding, you name it. This house has it, and of course this gorgeous chandelier and this large window that overlooks the Trex composite decking, which you are going to just fall in love with. This brand new kitchen is amazing. Matter of fact, you know what? I want to bring you in a different way. I want you to come in through the front door to this kitchen, just because you've got to see it in the way it just really hits you. All right, look at this. Look at this kitchen. All brand new. This gorgeous granite. Look at all of this. Brand new cabinets, really deep stainless steel sinks. Look at that, it's bronzed. These nice brand new fixtures. Great stove. Check this out. Oh, all this lighting is LED lighting. It's amazing. So bright. Love the pendants. This of course connects right through to the family room, which is also enormous. Brand new flooring. That fireplace, it can be a wood burning fireplace. It originally was, but it is currently set up as a gas burning fireplace. Hooked up, there's a separate propane tank to fuel that fireplace. Beautiful bay windows, ceiling fans, and again, look at this backyard. We're going to come look at this separately in a second, but this is a composite decking in the backyard alone, looking out to this gorgeous backyard, big open area. Again, 3.63 acres. Let's take a walk upstairs, see if we can get you guys excited. The HVAC system, here's a couple things you're going to want to know about this house as we walk through it. The garage doors were new in 2010. Water heater is 2012, heat pump, all new 2016, dishwasher, microwave, new in 2017, all right, washer 2015, well pump was new in 2008, and a brand new roof in 2007. Let's go into this master bedroom. What I love about this master bedroom, not only its size and this great big ceiling fan, I love these gables. This is awesome, they're functional. I hate when you go to a home and they've got these gorgeous gables on the front and you find out that they're just for show. So I just love this. This whole bathroom, master closet, commode, everything in here is absolutely brand new, just finished. All right, you have dual vanities. This was a labor of love. If you've been in any of these models, you know how horrible this section used to be. They've really done an amazing job. Over here on the right side, pocket door, and that is for the master closet. As you come in, you also have this very nice shower. Again, everything brand new. Look at that tile, man. Whoever did this work did an awesome job. Dual shower heads and boom, the shower seat. Everybody wants the shower seat. So that's looking great. We'll walk you through commode. This pocket door, by the way, it actually locks. A lot of them don't. So this is actually a pocket door with a nice screened window. I just love this bathroom. They did a really, really nice job. So check out this countertop, or these counters in this granite countertop. You'll notice it looks familiar, and then it's gonna look really familiar again as we go down the hall here. Again, this is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. All right. I passed the half bath downstairs. I'll go and show it to you again, but look, same counter, same countertop, same sink, new fixtures. Look at this, everything looks awesome. This house looks brand new. It's so clean in here. It feels like nobody's ever even lived in here. This house was built in '86. Here's the back bedroom. Again, big window to those trees. Ceiling fan, plenty of room in here. Again, that's how much room's in here. Look, you've got this big queen size bed, you've got 2 end tables, and then you've also got this massive cabinet off to the side. So again, just a real nice room here. This room is 12 by 11. This room also, which is its twin on the front of the house, also 12 by 11, 2 windows. Excuse me, ceiling fan. Again, just gorgeous. Queen size bed, plenty of room for cabinets, anything you need. Nice size closet. And something that is completely awesome. I'm not going to bother to open the door because we actually put some stuff in here for when we're taking our photos. But they moved the washer and dryer up here. This is actually a very deep closet. Washer and dryer is now upstairs on the bedroom level. It used to be in the basement. So this was all done brand new, works awesome. You're gonna love it. And I did forget to show you the half bath downstairs. Let's go ahead and hit that real quick. Just so you know it's here, and you can also see how awesome that is. Really want to get you out to see this house. Again, this is just meant as my agent walkthrough. I think you want to check out the professional photos that are online as well. But here's the half bath, nice little pedestal sink. Again, nice fixtures. Everything pulls together very well in this house, which is just amazing. All right, now let me take you outside of the backyard, let you see what's going on back there. I'm just going to take a peek from the deck. All right, let's go here. I love this house. Love this house. All right, here's the deck, right? It's a 2-level deck. I don't know how the sun's going to affect this picture, but see how big this is? All right, you got built-in storage that's right here, right at the house. Nice, plenty of room. Again, this is composite decking. This is not wood. So this composite decking, you're not going to have to come out here and sand it and refinish it every year, every other year. You can do this. So here's the other deck, and here, this is just the cleared area. All right, you'll check out the plat online. You'll know it's 3.63 acres. It goes quite a bit back there. But here's the open area that is off to the right side of the house. You see that shed off to the back. The driveway is just to its right if you don't pick that up. This is the back of the house. Not that it's too exciting, but I like to share it. But man, it's just gorgeous back here. Listen to those birds in the background. Man, you need this house. Oh, by the way, this particular house, this neighborhood is the only neighborhood that has Comcast Xfinity. You go anywhere else and you're going to be using satellite for your internet, which, if you know any better, is horrible. So I hope you love this home as much as I do. If you're interested in it, make sure to reach out to your local agent to come out to see it. 15234 Rillhurst Drive, Culpeper, Virginia, 22701. Thanks in advance for your interest, and we'll talk to you real soon. All right, the owners are going to shoot me for this, but I had to show you the basement. It's actually, they think this is unorganized. It is unfinished, but they have everything organized, pushed off to the side, and I wanted to show how big this basement is. It's about 800-900 square feet, and what I like about it is you see there's a full window over there. This is a walkout basement, and also the washer and dryer used to be down here, and the reason I share that is because that means there's water and sewer access down here. So there's your water filtration. The house is well and septic. But this is a really nice, you've got some insulation that's already up. This is a really nice size space. I personally would want to finish it out. But even if you don't, you can do what they did. They put down some area rugs. They use this little workout area. She's one of the owners doing some sewing. There's that new HVAC system. Again, this is a great space. I love it. You could easily come down and finish this out if you feel like you needed just some extra space. I just want to share this with everybody. Perfect. Again, come out and see this house. Again, built 1986. You got 2,200 square feet upstairs on the main 2 levels, and there's like another 800 down here. Love to come see this home. Culpeper's finest.